What if there was a plant that could literally take away your sweet tooth? Imagine eating a piece of chocolate cake and suddenly not being able to taste the sugar. Sounds like magic, right? Well, that's exactly what Gymnema Sylvestre has been called, the sugar destroyer. Today, we're going to dive deep into what this fascinating herb is, how it works, its potential benefits, and just as importantly, what you need to watch out for. Before we talk sugar cravings and blood sugar control, let's answer the obvious. What exactly is Gymnema Sylvestre? Well, Gymnema Sylvestre is a woody climbing plant native to India, Africa, and Australia. In Ayurvedic medicine, it's been used for over 2,000 years, mainly for diabetes management and weight control. The Hindi name for this plant literally translates to sugar destroyer, and that's not just a catchy name. The leaves contain compounds called gymnemic acids that have some fascinating effects on how your body processes sugar. So here's the cool part. How can a plant make sugar taste like nothing? When you chew gymnema leaves or take its extract, the gymnemic acids actually bind to the taste receptors in your tongue, the ones responsible for detecting sweetness. For about 30 to 60 minutes, sugary foods and drinks lose their sweet flavor. That means your soda suddenly tastes like flavored water, and your favorite cookie, flat and bland. But it doesn't stop there. Inside the body, gymnemic acids may also reduce sugar absorption in the intestines and support insulin production in the pancreas. So you're getting a double effect, less sugar hitting your bloodstream, and potentially better blood sugar control. Now, here's the big question. Why would you actually want to use Gymnema? Some of the potential benefits include blood sugar management. Multiple studies suggest it may lower fasting blood glucose and HbA1c in people with type 2 diabetes. Reduce sugar cravings. By dulling your ability to taste sweetness, many people naturally cut down on sugary snacks. Weight management. Less intake can lead to reduced calorie consumption and better weight control. Cholesterol and triglycerides. Some research suggests it may help improve lipid levels. Potential antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, which means it might also help protect cells from damage. For someone struggling with sugar cravings or borderline high blood sugar, Gymnema can be a powerful tool in the toolbox. Of course, no supplement is perfect, and Gymnema is no exception. Here's what you need to know. It can cause low blood sugar or hypoglycemia. If you're already on insulin or diabetes medications, Gymnema can make your blood sugar drop too low. Always check with your healthcare provider before combining. Digestive upset. Some people report nausea, upset stomach, or mild diarrhea. Allergies are also rare but possible. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, there isn't enough safety data, so avoid it unless directed by your provider. The bottom line, Gymnema is generally safe when used appropriately, but you always want to make sure it doesn't interact with your medications or health conditions. Okay, so if you're curious about trying Gymnema, how do you actually take it? Well, Gymnema comes in several forms. Capsules or tablets. These are the most common and easiest to dose. Powdered leaf or tea. This is traditional, but the taste is very bitter. Liquid extracts, which have fast absorption but stronger flavor. The typical supplement doses range from 200 milligrams to 400 milligrams of Gymnema extract per day, but dosing depends on the specific product. Always look for a third-party tested brand to ensure purity and potency. And remember, Gymnema is not a replacement for healthy eating, exercise, or prescribed medications. Think of it as a support tool, not a miracle cure. So, is Gymnema Sylvestre really the sugar destroyer it's hyped up to be? I'd say yes, with a catch. Gymnema can be incredibly helpful for curbing sugar cravings and supporting healthy blood sugar, but it works best alongside the basics: eating whole foods, staying active, and following your doctor's advice. If you've ever wished you could turn off your sweet tooth, even temporarily, this plant might just be the secret weapon you've been looking for. So, what do you think? Would you ever try Gymnema Sylvestre to help kick sugar cravings? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's struggling with sugar addiction. Until next time, I'm Pharmacist Michael. Be happy and be healthy.